This is 9-level multi-level inverter based on the combination of cascaded H bridge and flying capacitor multi-level inverters. Here the cascaded H bridge, it consists of two bridges, and the output of the cascaded H bridge is connected to this flying capacitor multi-level inverter to introduce more number of levels. Here input to the all three are 12 volt. Okay, normally with cascaded edge bridge inverter for 9 levels, we need 16 switches. But for this combination, we need only 12 switches. 4 switches are reduced here. Okay, here, initially, one bridge will be active. This is the 12 volt is connected here. It will flow through this. And this switch will be on. It will flow through this capacitor. And this switch will be on. It will go to the second bridge, this switch, and this switch will be on. So it will flow through the switch and reach the first bridge. That is 12 volt minus VC. That is the first level. Second level, 12 volt, it will be connected. The switch will be on. It will go through the load. Then these two switches will be on. So it will go through this. Then again, these two switches will be on. It will go through this point. It reaches the first bridge. And here, now the load voltage will be 12 volt. That is, this voltage is directly connected. Then for third level, this 12 volt is again connected. This switch will be on. It will go through the load. This switch will be on. So 12 minus VC. This switch will be on. It will go through the second bridge. This switch will be on. After that, it will go through this. So 12 minus VC plus again one more 12 volt. And the switch will be on. It will go through this first bridge and the circuit will be closed here. So third level will be 24 minus VC. Fourth level will be directly this 12 volt. It is connected to this one load. Then these two will be on. It will go through this. Then this switch will be on. It will go through this second voltage source. So 12 plus 12, 24. And it will go through the switch. It will reach the first bridge and to this, the circuit will be closed. So there are 4 levels here. Initially 12 minus VC1, then 12, 24 minus VC1, then 24. Totally 4 levels are there. So for positive cycle, 4 levels. For negative cycle, same 4 levels. Totally 8 plus 0 level, we will get 9 level in this. If you see the result, you can verify it. Second one is the voltage waveform. Here, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 0 level, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 levels are there. We have reduced the number of switches from 16 to 12 in order to get 9 levels by using this combination, cascaded H bridge plus flying capacitor multi-level inverter. So this is the working of the multi-level inverters here. We are reducing the number of switches. Also, We are getting 9% as the THD here.